Hello, hello. Tonight there was a rainfall, like a really strong rain for about 15 minutes. It created some ponds on the streets, and I think it would be great to have rain like this a couple of times a week so that everything stays more greenish. I don't remember then ever before there would be a rain in June. It's the 9th of June, or it was 9th of June, and there is a rain. The last year was already like exclusion because we got the rain in May, in the beginning of the May. While the previous years, since I'm living here, never happened. The last rain was usually in the middle of April. That's it. think this is the last days of these fields when it's still not harvested. The rest of the fields are already harvested and the day is almost over. And one of the things what I would like to say is that our biggest treasure and power are you, all of you. Especially I'm feeling it sharply now when there is no this flow of the customers and divers around us, that I'm feeling that everybody is taking care of us. Special thanks to everyone like Anna, Mahid, Inna, Daniel, and other friends like Vita and Semyon, who's always recommending us to other friends, and that's why we still can constantly work and gain some money for all the expenses for the dive center and our personal needs. Thank you very much, guys, for that. You are our power, and we're just trying to give you everything we have. That's really touching, actually, and I'm really happy that we have all of you. And because of you, I was able to dive today again. We did amazing dive at pyramids. It was just amazing to be there again. Visibility wasn't really that good as I expected. It can be better, but anyways, it was very good, and the guys was really relaxed, and I made them fly. Like I always say, for me the most important is to make you fly. As soon as it happens, as better it is. And what means fly? It means that you relaxing, you controlling your buoyancy with the help of the lungs, and you're just gliding above the reef. And that's the thing. And when I'm looking at you, and then that makes me really happy, and that's the motivation, that's the best motivation for me, actually. All right, thank you very much for watching me today again. Follow, subscribe, Instagram and Facebook, links below in the description, and see you tomorrow again.